the day 6, just only green. I used only one eyeshadow palette actually, and I will start with this eye. I will be using this eyeshadow palette, these 2 shades. I will do a hollow eye with this one, and I will use this as a transition shade. Noticed that day 6 is green, so I will be doing a green eye. One green is cool toned or more blue toned, and the other one is yellow toned. In fact, it's a duochrome. Both of them are duochromes. One with brown and the other one with a blue, and the other one is with gold. So it's kind of weird, but I just place in this right like that. Just stamp it and then blend it a tiny bit. Now it's time for the halo. So I will start applying it slowly right there. This is green with blue tones to it and a brownish base, so it's a duochrome actually. So because this brush had some left in the point, when I touch like this, it goes like that, so I just extend it on purpose and then I clean it, and that's it. That's why. I will pick a little bit more and I place it right there. There are some colors they're not picking, so it's so hard to show a metallic. This is metallic. This is full metallic. I just put concealer and set it because I wasn't sure if I will be doing something, but I'm not doing anything lower lash line, so. And then once I place this shade, I will bring what is left and kind of join the two together. But first, with the finger, I will apply that yellow green. These are the only 2 greens I have in my collection, so that's why I'm using the 2 of them. But if you have another green that is more close to this one, or another dark green that is close to this one, but this one is duochrome, and it looks like neon on the camera, but it's actually duochrome. It has gold reflections to it. So once I have that, what is left with the brush, I will be just joining the 2 together, as you can see. And then I will come with more. I will just grab another one, another finger. I don't know if you can see the shift, but well. And place again on top, and then put the mascara. So I will be applying like that. And that's it. This is it. So mascara, and I will clean this. So day 6 done. One more day. I don't know which color will be, but this day was green, the same sort of family. But remember, this green, it has like a blue tone to it. It's more like a forest green, and this one is more like a yellow green. So yeah, that is the final look. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you tomorrow. Bye.